Please listen, for your safety. There is a new scam that's hitting the Greater Toronto area, but it can happen anywhere. Scammers are phoning people claiming to be the police, and with many types of stories, they have legal problems, or they're under investigation, or something to do with banking, and find a way to require payment or require the victim to provide information about their banking or other information. And this scam is very sophisticated, and they are very convincing. They even manipulate the phone very frequently, that it looks, the call display shows as if it is the police. Please do not participate. Do not give any information about yourself. Always put on the phone and call back the real police to see if this is true or not. It's a very serious issue. Thank you.